This is Average Joe PT, where we're here to reduce pain, reduce anxiety, and improve overall function while giving a little bit of humor. Now today we're going to talk about chronic pain. Good old Scully and I back here, and we're going to go over 3 or 4 different techniques that you can do at home to help reduce your overall chronic pain. Stay tuned. So let's talk about chronic pain. Now, chronic pain is everywhere. You deal with it all the time. I'm going to give you some treatment techniques that you can do to help reduce your overall pain in your home environment. This isn't just a catch-all. This is basically all the techniques that you'll need, that you can do in your home environment without medication. So let's start out with number 1. One thing you can simply do is you can pick up one of these. This is a Theracane. This is essentially used to help reduce the knots in your neck and in your back, your upper back also. Now you could use a tennis ball, but this is a little more convenient. You can get this off of the internet for probably 10 or 15 bucks. It's called the Theracane. And you're essentially applying it to the side of the neck. You might come right around here and hit the mid back, and then come on down and hit the lower back. You hold this for probably 15, 30 seconds, then relax and repeat. I like to do this probably a good 5 to 10 minutes around my neck area when it's hurting. So that's a Theracane, and that's simply to get off the internet. If you have any questions about that, just leave comments down below, and I can go ahead and leave a tag for you if you want me to in regards to getting one of these. Pretty simple, very convenient and nice. You buy one, you'll never need to buy another one. It's as solid as a rock. Number 2 is good old-fashioned TENS unit. Years ago, these things were just gold. They were $700-800 a pop. You can pick up one of these things for probably 15 or 20 bucks at the most on the internet. It's called a TENS unit. It's just short, TENS, transcutaneous electric nerve stimulator. Essentially, we're going to use it just to modulate your pain. Feel like a vibrating sensation. Takes a 9-volt battery. What do you think, Scully?
I think I should try it on.
Scully wants to try it, so let's put it on Scully. I know Scully loves electricity. Now, obviously, you wouldn't want to put these on your temple, but Scully likes to have it on his temples. And let me tell you, when you light this baby up, man, it's good to go. And what you want to do with this is have it on until you feel a nice, strong sensation, vibration. You shouldn't have pain with this. You shouldn't be getting your muscles contracted at all. But you can turn this thing on. Most of them are switched now, and it's based off of intensity. So if you hear this, hear that little beep, that means it's on and it's going. You don't want to go to the point where you feel a muscle contraction. That thing just twitching up on you wherever you put these 4 pads. Simple to use. What do you think?
I like the tingling.
Okay.
Turn it up.
He likes it. Normally 15-20 minutes, multiple times a day. You can wear it. You can use this all the time. I know sometimes people can get irritation with their skin, but if you want to talk about the TENS unit more, you can go ahead and leave comments down below, and we can talk about that too. So that's a nice thing to do. We're gonna leave them on. Let's take them off for Scully. Scully doesn't want to leave them on all day, do you, Scully? Yeah, he's not talking right now. He's kind of irritated since I took off his TENS unit. He loves the TENS unit. Another basic one is moist heat. That's always going to work better than dry heat, which is something that's been talked about ad nauseum on different websites. You can use a shower. People end up turning themselves into lobsters. What I tell people to do is do the heat and then go ahead and do the massage. Kind of a 2-for-1 deal. And then once the skin cools down, then you can go ahead and put the electricity on if that's what you want to do. Now, a lot of times it's in the neck. I'm going to leave a tab up here of another nice video I did a while back that just goes over stretching your neck muscles, because that's key with chronic pain. All right, you got the heat, you got the massage, and then the stretching exercises up above. It's a very short video. I think it's maybe 3 or 5 minutes long that goes over those particular types of stretching and movements for your neck. And there's also another tab I'm going to leave up here. It's about your lower back, and it's 3 main muscles that you can stretch that can help reduce your overall chronic back pain too. So those are kind of the 2 tabs you can go on to after you're done with this video. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about meditation and relaxing music. Now the best thing is you gotta listen to it with earbuds in or earmuffs or something like that. Don't try and listen to nice relaxing meditation music without these, because you really want to be able to focus and hone in on the music and without hopefully hearing everything else out at the same time. So if you kind of put these earbuds on, of course, poor Scully's not going to do too well here. Yeah, they don't want to stay in there on Scully. Apparently he's missing a thing called ears.
Oh my God, turn it back on.
All right,
this guy never listens.
He's not happy with me. He wishes he had some ears so he could listen to this. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to put this on for a second. All right. And I'll let you listen to what I'm hearing too. Okay, here we go. So put this right on here. Put them right on. And so you can go around your house, maybe lie down on your back with the moist tea, with maybe the tennis ball or the Theracane to help reduce your overall chronic pain that you're having, and then finish up with the stretches that I talked about earlier. So that nice music, it just kind of gets you into the zone a little bit, lets you think about the music and all the techniques that you're doing to help reduce that chronic pain, because those are the research-based type techniques that you can do at home. You look all over the internet, it's going to tell you about massage, stretching, heat, and music meditation-wise to help reduce your pain. Now, a lot of meditation music is all free on the internet. You just type in meditation or relaxing music, and you'll get this kind of music that we're currently hearing. And so let me go ahead and take these off now, because Scully's kind of upset that he can't hear none of them. So I'm just going to finish up on the floor here. Scully's going to do some 10s. I'm going to listen to some music that you're going to hear right now. See that nice meditation music? I'm going to put the little hot bottle on my neck. And I'm going to put the Theracane or the tennis ball. You can do whatever you want. You put it right here at the neck. So you're getting it all in one. You're getting the nice music, you're getting the nice massage, and you're doing the heat all at the same time. I call it the trifecta. Poor Scully, he's only using the 10s, but hey, I'm alive still. I need to use some of this myself. Now, another nice little technique, the last one is positioning. So, I have 3 pillows. I call it the upside down V, and then the pillow over the top. What that essentially does is cradles your shoulder and your neck all at once, so that it's all one unit. Now you would want to do this flat, alright, or in the bed, because I'm actually kinking my neck here a little bit. But if you had this down flat like that, you can see how your neck and your shoulder and your mid-back is all one unit. That's a nice positioning technique that you can do, essentially simulating the recliner chair. So if you feel comfortable in the recliner chair, your neck's bothering you, this is another good thing you can do in the bed or on the floor with a hot water bottle, your nice Theracane, your good meditation music. Let's crank it up a little bit. And then the old Theracane. Now, that is a nice combination. Ain't that right there, Scully?
Turn mine up. This guy never listens.
He's liking just the 10s, yeah. He's liking just the 10s. So we're going to go ahead and throw it on back and finish on up here in just a second. Give you a couple more tips. So, those are some good techniques that you can do at home to help reduce your overall chronic pain. Now, if you have any questions in regards to any of this stuff, leave a comment down below. I'd love to have you subscribe if you would. I have all types of content on my channel. Ring the bell. I bring content all the time. Until next time, I want you to look up and keep smiling. Ain't that right, Scully?
Look up and keep smiling, Seasley.
Yeah.
Fine.
Keep smiling. That's the logo. He doesn't like it sometimes. See you later.